Okay.
First, put the garlic.
Nice.
Put the garlic.
Okay.
And then onion.
Yes, okay, okay. First one is your brother.
Onion.
Ooh, onion, yes.
Mix.
Mix, yes. Then,
Then.
but why is that two in the list ingredients?
Then. Put the
Chicken.
Put the chicken.
Oh! Daddy, nagulat ako sa chicken.
Sa chicken. Then. Mekus.
Mekus, yes.
Yeah, mekus.
But why is our frying pan is a fire?
Yeah. And then wait for a minute. Wait the second stage of the potato. Alright? Alright. Yan, it's raining outside. Alright? You put the potato.
Yes! Game na.
Okay na, nilagay na natin yung potato and beans. Lagyan na natin magic sarap. Sarap. Okay. And then put salt. Okay. Tapos nilagyan na natin ng Knorr seasoning. Alright. Good in the hood. Alright. Then this is takip. Alright. Luto na ang ating chicken adobo with potato and beans. Alright, pwede na kumain si Mia.